Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the pedals and to fit the pedals on any bicycle. All you need is a 15 spanner. It can be a 15 spanner which you buy from the hardware. It doesn't have to be a special 15 spanner. And when it comes to loosening the pedals, it doesn't matter what bicycle it is. It can be a racing bike, can be a kiddie's bike, can be a BMX bike, can be a mountain bike. It all loosens to the back. So when loosening the pedals, you loosen it to the back, and when tightening the pedals, you tighten it to the front. Doesn't matter what brand it is, doesn't matter what pedals is it. It can be normal plastic pedals, it can be cycling pedals which you clip on your cycling shoes. It's all the same. Some pedals uses a Allen key instead of a 15 spanner, but those are not common. Those only come on expensive brands, and with those the Allen key goes from behind the arm, which also loosens the same and tightens the same. It's only different that with those you use the Allen key. But today we're not going to focus on that. We're just going to focus on how to loosen the pedal and to fit the pedal. As you can see, this pedal is already loose, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen it with my hand. When you fit pedals on any bicycle, the first thing which you should make sure, let's say you bought new pedals, you want to replace it on your kid's bicycle or something, or maybe your pedals are broken and you want to go buy a replacement for them. The first thing you should do after removing the old pedals, you should look on the pedal to see which one is right and left, and it's very important to make sure that you don't fit the wrong pedal. As you can see, this one is R, which means it goes on the right side, and the other one will have L, which means it goes on the left side. It's very important to make sure that you check that before fitting the pedals. It's also very important that you put grease on the threads of the pedals so it slides in easily. And once you put them on, the next time you decide to take them off, it will also make it easy to come off if you put grease the first time. In most cases, if you just put the pedals on without grease, the next time you will struggle to get them off. So I'm going to start with my right pedal, as you can see. And putting on the pedal, you should be able to slide in with just with your hands without using a spanner. And you should make sure that the pedal is straight, and you should take your time to do it so you don't cause any damages. So I fitted the right pedal. Once you fitted the right pedal with your hand, then only you take a spanner to tighten it properly. You don't have to over tighten the pedals, just have to tighten it enough where you're satisfied. You can do the same thing with the left pedal. As for the left pedal as well, I'm going to put it in first with my hand, and the pedal should be straight. Like I said, you have to take your time to do this. The pedal should be able to slide in nice and slowly. And because of grease, it makes it easy for the pedal to go in, and once you have fitted the pedal, then you tighten it with your 15 spanner. Just tighten it until you're satisfied. It doesn't have to be over tightened.